Welcome to Charlie Bird's Drawing Show, and we're going to do Patrick from SpongeBob. Now we're going to do his star arm, then his body, then his other star hand, then his pants, then his bottom of his pants, then his legs, then his mouth, then his tongue, then his eyebrows, then his eyes, then his other eye, then his belly button. Now let's colour him in. Let's colour him in pink. Then his pants green. And those stars purple. And pink again for his legs. Then let's do his tongue darker, because this is the only pink what we're gonna have. Then his mouth. Now let's write Patrick. Goodbye, subscribe.